In every situation, the net force is always going to be equal to 0. Let's take a look at some of the situations. In the first situation, there's an object on a level surface. There are two forces, the normal and the weight. They both have the same magnitude, so the normal minus the weight equals 0, or the normal is equal to the weight. In the second situation, there's an object at rest on an incline. In the y-axis, you have the normal minus mg cosine theta equals 0. In the x-axis, you have mg sine of theta minus friction equals 0. In the third situation, there's an object on a level surface moving at constant motion. The y-axis, you have the normal force minus weight equals 0. In the x-axis, you have a force minus friction is equal to 0. In the fourth situation, there's an object sliding down an incline at constant motion. In the y-axis, the normal force minus mg cosine theta is equal to 0. In the x-axis, friction minus mg sine of theta minus the force is equal to 0. Now let's add some math into that. If you have the mass of the object at 10 kilograms, then to get the weight, you have to multiply that by gravity, leaving you with 98 newtons. This means that the normal force must be acting in the opposite direction at 98 newtons also. If you have it at constant motion and there's a force of 12 newtons, then you must also have a frictional force in the opposite direction at 12 newtons. There's always a net force of 0 if it is at rest or in constant motion.